So, change the carburetor. Get everything put back together. I think I'm flooding it, but fuck it. Gotta put the top back on so I can pull the string a little bit. Test it. We have oil. I had took the gas out. That was like real yellow, but I don't know what gas is supposed to look like. Fuck. It's not like, you know. I think it's supposed to be brown like that. I don't know. Okay, so I got the carburetor switched out. This is the old one. New one installed. Springs, everything. Throttle cable connected. Yeah. That was just a little quick update. I'm gonna put all this shit back together. Put that plug in, that safety feature, and give it a couple of cranks. So if I turn, the next video is supposed to be running. If there's not enough videos, because I gave up, I'm tired. I've been doing this about 2 hours now. I took a lot of breaks. And I got me a white boy, a brown boy.